and welcome. You're watching Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra. Now, viewers, months ahead of the crucial elections in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party has suffered a setback. Senior leader and Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot has quit, citing that the Aam Aadmi Party is facing grave challenges from within. In a loaded letter to Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, Kailash Gehlot expressed dissatisfaction over the party's inability to deliver on key promises like the Yamuna cleanup. He also cited Times Now's news break on Sheesh Mahal and said such controversies have now led to people questioning whether the Aam Aadmi Party still believes in being a party for the common man. While Arvind Kejriwal refused to answer questions on Gehlot's resignation, the Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that this is a result of vile politics by the BJP and that Kailash Gehlot resigned as he did not want to get arrested. On the other hand, the Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming vindication. The BJP says that this resignation proves the BJP's charges that the Aam Aadmi Party is a corrupt party, that this is the beginning of the end of the Aam Aadmi Party and its own leaders are seeing the truth and exposing the truth about the Aam Aadmi Party. Watch how the entire story unfolded.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की घिनौनी और षड्यंत्रकारी राजनीति का हिस्सा है।
The BJP clearly has gotten its allies reactivated prior to the elections. The CBI is in full form again, so is the ED.
सर, कैलाश गहलोत जी ने आप रिजाइन कर पार्टी से और मंत्री पद से, इसको लेकर आप क्या करेंगे?
चुनाव बहुत नजदीक है दिल्ली का और चुनाव के पहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कोशिश रहेगी कि आम पार्टी को कमजोर किया जाए और विपक्ष को कमजोर किया जाए एज ए होल।
कैलाश गहलोत का आज आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़ना ऐसा लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के पाप का घड़ा भर चुका है। मुझे लगता है ये आम आदमी पार्टी का पूरा जो नौका है ना, वो तार तार होकर के बिखर चुका है।
Let's open this up. Neoma Gupta, Delhi BJP spokesperson, is joining us. R. Rajagopalan, senior journalist, also with us on the panel. Advocate Anmol Pawar, Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. Vijay Kaushik, Congress leader. Let me go first up to the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, Advocate Pawar. Advocate Pawar, I'm going to read out from Kailash Gehlot's letter. And Kailash Gehlot is a senior leader. You cannot deny that. He had multiple portfolios in the Delhi government, portfolios like transport, administrative reforms, information and technology, home and women and child development. Kailash Gehlot, in his resignation letter to Arvind Kejriwal, says, political ambitions have overtaken our commitment towards people, leaving many promises unfulfilled. Kailash Gehlot, I'm citing verbatim, in this letter says, apart from this, there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like Sheesh Mahal, which are now making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. This is a leader of your party who's been with you for a long time, whom, the top leadership of your party, whom Arvind Kejriwal trusted. He has resigned. And he has said that ab to lagta nahi hai, there are personal ambitions that are taking over. Seems like, we are not even the Aam Aadmi anymore. We are not even delivering promises to the Aam Aadmi Party. Don't you think this calls for introspection?
Sagarika ji, what you have just read is a script which was written by the BJP. It is nothing more, because we know that the reality is that over the past few months, Mr. Kailash Gehlot faced relentless raids, frequent questioning, and was under immense pressure from the BJP's frontal wing, which are ED and the CBI, which have started their dirty politics now, leaving him with no choice but to surrender before them. So, but the fact is that the people of Delhi are aware of the BJP's tactics, and once again, they will give a decisive mandate in the favor of Aam Aadmi Party, rejecting the politics of intimidation and conspiracy by the BJP.
Mr. Pawar, But this letter is on the letterhead of Kailash Gehlot's official, it's on his official letterhead. He goes on to say, not just Sheesh Mahal, he also talks about Yamuna. And can we actually deny that promises made on the Yamuna cleanup have not been fulfilled? Can you claim that no, everything said by Kailash Gehlot is a script of the BJP and he has nothing to do with this?
Certainly, because not everyone has the courage to fight against the ED, CBI and the BJP's dirty politics. He had two options, either to go to jail or to join the BJP. So he chose the later one.
Okay. Neoma Gupta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Aam Aadmi Party says, bhai, your dirty tricks department has been activated and this is the BJP which is now putting immense pressure on Kailash Gehlot. And let's not forget, there have been ED cases on him. There have been central agencies investigating him. Is this a pressure tactic ahead of the Delhi elections to weaken the Aam Aadmi Party as claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party?
Good evening. Thank you for having me on your debate. Today, Mr. Gehlot's resignation is actually a testament of the sad and corrupt state of affairs within the Aam Aadmi Party. If you clearly see the letter, it states the agenda allegations of Sheesh Mahal, Yamuna, which have been epic failures, and them saying that, he was under constant vigilance of the ED or EOW, whatever said authority. If he was somebody responsible in a corrupt situation or any allegation was pending against them, if you're such a Qatar Imandar party, you should have asked him to resign. Why did you keep him there? Why are you waiting for him to resign and then saying, oh no, BJP did? This conspiracy theories become so boring that it's not even a part of a debate. Even when Ms. Swati Maliwal, who was abused in the premises of Mr. Kejriwal's residence, came out and spoke against them, she was also character assassinated. So I mean, I don't expect anything better from them, but this type of constant conspiracy theory. Yamuna, which has been given so much money to get cleansed, I mean, it doesn't even take a naked eye to see the condition of Yamuna. They made it into a nala. You look at the deplorable state of affairs in Delhi, show them the garbage in the neighborhoods, the broken roads, the sewers. I mean, look at the condition of Delhi. Are we staying in the capital? Why don't you introspect?
Right.
Speak to Mr. Kailash Gehlot. Let me finish. Speak to Mr. Kailash Gehlot and ask him if it's a conspiracy theory. Come up with a defense which is more viable because it's the beginning to an end. BJP has been a watchdog on all these relevant points. Today,
Neoma, I'll come back to you because both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have given their opening remarks on the debate. Both of them on expected lines blaming each other. Let me bring in senior journalist R. Rajagopalan. Mr. Gopalan, I'm going to read out another excerpt from Kailash Gehlot's resignation letter. He says, and tell me, do you think anything different? Because here in the national capital, it is the Aam Aadmi which is every day grappling with high levels of pollution, with basic, the kind of civic infrastructure. The civic infrastructure that has also come down. Let's also tell you about what he said. Another painful point has been the fact that instead of fighting for people's rights, we have increasingly only been fighting for our own political agenda. Do you think he's lying? Do you think this is a BJP script and everybody who resigns from the Aam Aadmi Party becomes a BJP pawn?
So Mr. Arvind Kejriwal went to jail, and whose script did he read? Suppose if they are alleging it's a BJP script, and Arvind Kejriwal, who did that, big fraud of 8,000 crores on the liquor scam. Apart from that, Sagarika, my understanding is he reflected the mindset of Delhi voters. Kailash Gehlot has been, suffocating himself, and he was nominated to hoist the flag of, national flag in the capital. Apart from that, Mr. Kejriwal has been shown the mirror by Mr. Gehlot.
Okay.
And this political party, which was a greedy, especially Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, a greedy person who took oath on his children that he will not take the car, etc., and not the girl, not security guard, etc. She toot gaya. Congratulations to Times Now, because your reporter and correspondent photographers, cameramen were arrested. And what audacity and greediness Mr. Kejriwal had, now he is reaping the consequences.
Okay.
Aam Aadmi Party does not have any say, and it is a downfall of Mr. Kejriwal.
Okay.
2025 the assembly elections.
Mr. Rajagopalan, let me also bring in the Congress Party. Mr. Vijay Kaushik, आप इंडिया अलायंस में आम आदमी पार्टी आपकी मतलब आपके साथ उनकी दोस्ती है, आपके साथ उनका अलायंस है। दिल्ली में यू गाइस फाइट ईच अदर। टुडे कैलाश गहलोत हैज रिजाइन। बहुत सारी चीजें उन्होंने कहा है। हम तो कहेंगे ऑपरेशन शीश महल, जो टाइम्स नाउ का न्यूज ब्रेक था, जो टाइम्स नेटवर्क का न्यूज ब्रेक था, उसका एक इंपैक्ट हुआ है, क्योंकि कैलाश गहलोत ने खुद उस न्यूज ब्रेक को अपने रेजिग्नेशन लेटर में, ऑफिशियल रेजिग्नेशन लेटर में साइट करते हुए ये कहा है कि देयर हैव बीन मेनी एम्बैरेसिंग एंड ऑकवर्ड कंट्रोवर्सीज लाइक शीश महल व्हिच आर नाउ मेकिंग एवरीवन डाउट whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. What do you think? What is happening in the Aam Aadmi party, and do you think this is going to benefit the Congress party in Delhi?
देखिए, गठबंधन का अर्थ ये नहीं है कि केजरीवाल कोई क्राइम करें और उस क्राइम की सजा कांग्रेस भुगते। क्यों भुगतेगी कांग्रेस सजा? उस बात की, शराब घोटाला किया वो आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने किया। अगर शीश महल बनाया तो केजरीवाल ने बनाया। अगर दिल्ली में तमाम घोटाले किए हैं तो केजरीवाल ने किए हैं, उनकी सजा केजरीवाल जी खुद भुगते। हमारी पार्टी के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष देवेंद्र यादव जी ने बाकायदा एक यात्रा शुरू की हुई है, जिसमें वो हर गली में जाकर, हर गांव में जाकर, हर कस्बे में जाकर, हर शहर के हर व्यक्ति से मिलकर आम आदमी पार्टी की जो सरकार के काले कारनामे हैं उनकी पोल खोल रहे हैं।
तो विजय कौशिक जी, आप मानते हैं कि कैलाश गहलोत ने इस चिट्ठी में जो लिखा है वो 100% सच है? आप मानते हैं कि एक एक चीज जो इसमें कैलाश गहलोत जी ने हाईलाइट किया, भले वो शीश महल का कंट्रोवर्सी हो, भले वो यमुना को लेके जो फेल्ड प्रोमिसेस की बात कर रहे हैं कैलाश गहलोत जी, वो एकदम सच है?
देखिए, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि एक मंत्री पद पर रहता हुआ व्यक्ति अगर अपनी पार्टी के घोटालों को उजागर करते हुए इस्तीफा देता है तो मैं तो ये कहता हूं कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार को ही बर्खास्त कर देना चाहिए।
अच्छा,
इन लोगों को कोई हक नहीं है।
Advocate Pawar, your alliance partner in the INDIA bloc, I understand you are rivals in Delhi, but your alliance partner in the INDIA bloc is going a step further than the BJP. दे तो से आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार को तो बर्खास्त ही कर दो, and you say this is a BJP script, but your alliance partner in the INDIA bloc, the grand opposition, goes on to say that Delhi doesn't deserve a government like the Aam Aadmi Party. इस सरकार को तो बर्खास्त ही कर दो। Everything written by Kailash Gehlot is a reflection of the mood of the voter. This is what the Congress party is saying.
Sagarika ji, he said that सरकार को बर्खास्त कर देना चाहिए, ये भ्रष्टाचार का प्रमाण है। देखिए, सच्चाई तो ये है कि पिछले 10 साल में 250 से ज्यादा मुकदमे किए गए, अनगिनत रेड की गई, जांच एजेंसियों के द्वारा प्रताड़ना की गई, लेकिन एक भी पैसे का भ्रष्टाचार जो है वो आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के ऊपर साबित नहीं हो पाया। एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड टू हियर दिस man, Mr. Rajgopal Charan, senior journalist.
His name
he was saying that
R. Rajagopalan. He's a senior journalist. His name is R. Rajagopalan.
I'm sorry, R. Rajagopalan. He said that 8,000 crore का भ्रष्टाचार हो गया. I think he's not aware of the fact that the Honorable Supreme Court has said that the ED and CBI, they have failed to prove the money trail. That they have no. So I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. Sagarika,
Mr.
this is not the way.
Let him,
this is not
Mr. Rajagopalan, let him say what he has to say. I'll give you your time. Please go ahead.
He's getting agitated when I'm placing
Mr. Pawar,
the correct
go ahead.
fact.
Make your point. We have very little time. Go ahead.
The Honorable Supreme Court said that the ED and CBI are working like a caged parrot, that this case will fall after 2 questions in cross-examination. And we must not forget that many leaders in the past have also left the party. But the people of Delhi stood firmly with Arvind Kejriwal and will continue to do so because they believe in the Kaam Ki Rajniti of Arvind Kejriwal. They have seen the person who is fighting for their rights, who is striving for their better future. He's Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay.
That is why what we have witnessed in 2013, 2015 and 2020 assembly election,
right,
the results will be the same in 2025 assembly election.
Yeah, but jail ka jawab vote se ahead of the Lok Sabha elections did not really give you any kind of dividends, and now what Mr. Kejriwal has done is to galvanize support for himself to get a mandate of sorts on his imandari. In the meantime, there are leaders who were part of your core team who are quitting. What does that say about your party? Mr. Rajagopalan,
Can
the
I
Aam
reply?
Aadmi
Can I
Party
reply?
is citing
Can I reply?
Just
Can
a
I
minute.
reply,
Let Mr. Rajagopalan come in, because you countered him saying that, Mr. Rajagopalan, you have called the Aam Aadmi Party a corrupt party. You have accused them of scams worth of thousands of crores of rupees. The Aam Aadmi Party says no. The Supreme Court has said that the ED and the CBI are being treated like cage parrots. How do you respond to what the Aam Aadmi Party say?
What did Delhi High Court say? Advocate must answer to that. What did Delhi
Sir,
High
you
Court
must read the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. High
Don't
Court
intervene, don't intervene.
Okay, let him complete. Mr. Pawar, let him complete.
What did Delhi High Court say? What did Delhi Lower Court say? Then why did Supreme Court give him a relief of 21 days parole? Why should they? Because he was compelled to go back to jail. He committed crime. It's a crime, Southern Lobby. Kavita was also in jail. Apart from that, Sagarika,
right?
The Congress spokesperson, जो विजय ने अभी कहा था, ये कुल्लम कुल्ला कांग्रेस ने आम आदमी पार्टी का आईना दिखा दिया है. विजय ने ठीक कहा है, इस सरकार का बर्खास्त करना चाहिए. ये कांग्रेस का डिमांड है. ये इंडिया अलायंस टूट रहा है. And 2025 लोकसभा इलेक्शन को पहले ये ऐसी स्थिति होगा. मुझे लगता है 7 MP बीजेपी का स्वीप किया था. Naturally 70 seats में 60 seats BJP will win, and Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party will be having 10 seats only.
No, but let me take this to the BJP. One charge that comes your way is that as per your convenience, you are misusing agencies. This is constantly leveled. This allegation is leveled against you by the Congress, by the Aam Aadmi Party and by the entire opposition together. When we talk about the cases that the Aam Aadmi Party is highlighting, saying that no, not everyone has the courage to go to jail and that is why they succumb to pressure. When it comes to cases against Kailash Gehlot, he's faced investigations by the, by the Income Tax Department in 2018, by the ED in 2019, FEMA violation allegations, CBI probe in 2022, a preliminary inquiry with regards to alleged irregularities in the procurement of the maintenance of 1,000 low-floor buses. Then they say that, bhai, you are using agencies. This is always the charge that comes your way. Is it true? Is Mr. Kailash Gehlot in touch with the BJP? Why don't you reveal this to our viewers?
Absolutely not. And they constantly say that the agencies are being misused for this purpose or that purpose. If somebody is going to do an act which doesn't fall within the framework of the law and they're answerable, they will be answerable on their own personal and professional actions. This has nothing to do with somebody resigning from a political party. Just think logically. Mr. Kailash Gehlot was one of the initial members with Mr. Kejriwal. For him to break from the roots, it has to be something substantive and something against his conscience and conscientious to work away from him. He was holding approximately 6 ministries from what I gathered from you. It takes a lot to drop 6 ministries and move away from a political ideology one is a part of. It obviously shows the big cracks in the wall in the internal work of Aam Aadmi Party. And
cracks in the Aam Aadmi Party, says the Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is also an impact of the Sheesh Mahal investigation, a story broken here on the Times Network. I'd like to thank all our panelists for joining us this evening. Kailash Gehlot, top minister in the Delhi government, has quit. What impact will this have ahead of the Delhi elections? We are going to keep a close watch on that. Thank you so much for joining us. Only for the want of time, we are having to wrap up here. But